On top of the door carts, there is a bar that the side windows attach to. My car came with these two fiberglass bars. To be honest, they look quite crappy. They are not the same length. The tubes for the side window attachment stick out on one side. The position of the tubes is quite different from left to right. So I made some new ones from 3D print. They are made from 4 sections that are slided over 2 carbon tubes. I wrapped the bars in the same vinyl leather fabric I used for the door cards. I'm using screws with washers and nut to secure the bar. So I need to remove the door card to get in and add the nuts. Even though the car came with a soft top, it didn't come with side windows. So I'll make some myself. So again, I start out with a cardboard template. I want the top of the window to curve inward, to follow the shape of the windscreen. The key here is to evenly apply enough heat for the plastic to be able to bend, without overheating it, to start bubbling. Next task is to make some fittings so I can attach the windows to the door bars. Once I'm happy with my design, I 3D print some mold parts so I can make the items from forged carbon. I have put in a piece of stainless steel rod as inlay in the mold, so that'll be a part of the finished part. Clamps I press in the top part of the mold, which will compress the carbon and slowly press out the excess epoxy. Once it has hardened, I can take apart the mold and check out the part. Even though the mold parts were sprayed with release wax, everything sticks together. Good thing that the molds are sacrificial. I also 3D printed a drilling template to make sure the holes were drilled in the correct positions at the right angle. also made some forged carbon clips that will hold the window in place. This is not easy with just one hand, while holding the camera with the other, but you get the idea.